Hello everyone, this is Ale here once again. Thank you everyone for watching. In this video, I did wanted to dedicate it to all my single moms out there, all my single moms that are looking for help, that are looking for resources to be able to help them and their children. If you are a single mom, if you would like to get to know more of this information, please stay tuned. And until then. Okay, in this video, we're gonna get to the point. The program that helps single mothers, the program that I am currently in, I have been in this program for about probably 8-9 months. It is a great, awesome program that helps single mothers with their children. It helps them get back on their feet. It helps them with debt. It helps them with budgeting, saving. It helps you get back on your feet and buy a home by the time that you exit this program. Maybe some of you already know about this program. Maybe some of you have been to a similar program. I would like some information if you have some information to share with me. But definitely, this is, of course, only for the state of Illinois. It is where I currently reside at, United States, Illinois. So this is where this whole program is starting. I wanted to share with you because I know that there is a lot of single moms out there that don't know about this. They don't know about it. They're stuck in one situation that is not good for their own children. So I did wanted to share it and just I wanted them to know that there is help out there. There is a lot of help for us single mothers. So I just want to make sure that you guys are aware. This program is called Fellowship Housing. It does have a really nice website where you can go and read some of the stories of some of the moms that have graduated from that program. I am going to be putting the link right under in the description box, so you will have it there. You can get it there. You can also message me if you would like me to refer you or to help you out on how to get in. Any more information or details, I can let you know. Okay. First of all, Fellowship Housing does help a lot of mothers not caring how much you are in debt, not caring well, it's not that they don't care that you're in debt. They just want to make sure that you have the want to succeed, that you're willing to give it all, basically, for your children, so that you are able to succeed. They do have requirements, of course. Some of the requirements that I can remember at the top of my head, because this was about 10 months ago that I started first applying for this. It's pretty much you have to have proof of identification, like state ID, passport, birth certificate from the States. You do have to have a job that pays you $15 or more so that you are able and admitted into that program. Also, you have to have a reliable car with insurance, just so that they know that you have a way of transportation going back to work, going home and stuff. So they do require those 3 things, which are, I mean, if you think of it, you should have them regardless, right? A car, a job, and your identifications. Now, the whole process just take a bit of a time, so you do have to be patient. It's not like from this month to next month. It is a process of 3 interviews that they call you in. For me, each interview was like monthly. Like this month I had 1 interview, then it took a couple more weeks for them to call me again and get my 2nd interview. By the 3rd interview, they were just congratulating me, letting me know that you're welcome into the program, and you can here's the apartments that we have for you, because they only will help you with apartments. They do not have homes, actual homes. So yeah, I was moving into my apartment by the 4th month of starting the whole process with Fellowship Housing. It is a 2-year program. It is only 2 years. They are helping you in everything and anything possible. Food wise, money wise, budgeting skills, a lot of budgeting skills. There is a lot of strictness with spending money and how to save money. They definitely, you will see your savings account getting bigger and bigger and bigger because you never knew that you could save so much money. They do help you with your debt. Definitely, they help you with that. One of the things that really shocked me is when it came to tax time, they even helped you with $1,000 towards your debt. I was like, what? $1,000? That is a whole lot of money to pay in debt. But I was grateful. I was thankful. Right now, I have almost, I would say from the 100% debt that I had, I probably have about 30 to 40% a debt, which I'm gonna finish paying. And this year, my first year of being in the program, I'm very happy, very grateful for them, and I really would like some more moms to come over and join us because the community that I live here in my apartments, there's like no moms, no one to talk to. They do have homes and apartments in 3 different locations. Like I said, it's in the state of Illinois. They have them in Hoffman Estates, they have them in Schaumburg, and they have them in Elgin. So there's 3 good areas. They're very good areas. They're not like the worst Section 8 areas and stuff. They're good areas where your children are happy. The apartments are really nice and comfortable. Comfortable. Okay, so yes, definitely by the time of graduation, when you've been there 2 years, you pretty much have saved up to, I would say, 20 to 30 to $40,000. This is from stories that I've heard. This is from proof that I've seen from so many moms. You save up so much money that you're just able to give for a home. You buy your home. You move out from this apartment, little apartment, to your own home. I mean, at this moment, you are 0 debt free. You have a home. You have your children, which are happy. And I mean, what else matters? Your children have a home. You're good to go. You have probably most likely a better job, a good job. So in general, fellowship housing is a great program. It is, and I am not getting paid for this, definitely not. I just feel like I owe that program so much for so much that they have done for me. There's more. There's definitely a lot more help that they have helped me that I cannot fit into this video because it'll be super long. But if you're interested, definitely shoot me a comment, shoot me a message, give me your email. We can definitely get in contact. I call her my caseworker, but she's like my caseworker. She's the one that helps me with everything. Ali, don't spend here. Ali, don't spend there. This is too much. We gotta save. Save. She's awesome. I give her a thumbs up because Rachel is her name. I love her. Even though sometimes she is strict, but it's always for my own good in the future, for the future of my kids. So I will definitely refer you to her, refer you to anyone else in the office. Very happy and glad to do that. If you just shoot me a comment down below, let me know that you're interested. Let me know if you want to know more information. Any questions, definitely let me know. And that would be all, I guess. I just wanted definitely to get in touch with my single mothers out there, letting them know that there is hope. There is always hope. You're healthy. You have your legs. You have your hands. Your children are healthy. Let's move forward. We can do it. We don't need anyone's support. We ourselves can do it. I mean, you got hands, you got feet, and you got health. What more do we need? A program which pushes you, right? Pushes you to do your best. That's all. Pushes you to succeed in life. Well, my friends, that would be all for today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to share the video, share the information. If you guys have information of another program that I can go into, or information for myself, I do have more information, but I didn't want to make this video a 15-20 minute long video. It's already long enough right now, so I will definitely make another video letting you, my mom, single moms, know what else we can do to lower our budget, to lower our expenses with the kids and stuff like that. Okay, until next time, see you then. Bye.